Enjoy a lot, spend little, learn how to save when purchasing a business or first-class flight ticket. Have you ever dreamed of enjoying the luxury of a business or first-class flight without breaking the bank? Imagine settling into a spacious seat, sipping on premium wine, and experiencing a level of comfort that turns a long journey into pure pleasure. What if I told you that this dream could be much more attainable than you think? Most people believe that luxury travel is only for the ultra-wealthy. But there are secrets, methods, and strategies that allow savvy travelers and smart business people to save big on these high-end tickets. In fact, with the right knowledge, you might even score a first-class ticket for close to the price of an economy seat. In today's video, we're going to reveal insider tips and tricks. We'll show you how to find those elusive deals and learn the key strategies for upgrading to premium classes without paying the full price. Stay with us until the end, because the methods we're about to share can completely change how you view luxury travel. Whether you're traveling for work or pleasure, learning how to navigate the world of premium air travel with a business mindset is a game changer. Ready to unlock the world of high-class travel without the high price? Let's dive in. So, why are first-class and business-class tickets so expensive in the first place? Airlines know that business travelers and premium customers seek comfort, exclusivity, and efficiency, and they're willing to pay for it. But here's a secret. Airlines also have an incentive to fill these premium seats, even if it means discounting them. For those of you who run businesses, think of it like this. You want to fill your product inventory, even if you occasionally need to offer a special price. Airlines operate on similar principles. Then let us take a look in the tips to enjoy the results of these principles. Timing is everything. Our first tip is about timing. When is the best time to buy a business or first-class ticket? Many don't know this, but the timing of your purchase can make a massive difference. Look for seats around 6 to 8 weeks before departure, when airlines often release discounted seats to fill unsold inventory. For flights on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, demand is lower, so prices are often reduced. Another key timing tip: check for deals early in the morning when airlines tend to reset fares. Leverage loyalty programs strategically. The second method: use airline loyalty programs strategically. If you frequently travel for business, signing up for these programs can be invaluable. But here's the key: aim for credit cards that let you transfer points to airline partners. This way, you have the flexibility to use your points for premium seats across various airlines. But don't just accumulate points. Track offers that give you a bonus for transferring points at the right time. Many airlines periodically offer bonuses for converting credit card points into frequent flyer miles. This is one of the most powerful ways to make luxury travel affordable. Maximize companion fares and discount programs. Now, a bit of inside knowledge. Airlines often offer discounts or companion fares. This is a fantastic opportunity if you're traveling with a colleague or partner. Many airlines provide a 2-for-1 deal in business or first class for members of certain loyalty programs. Think of it like a business partner pass. Programs such as the Alaska Airlines Companion Fare or Delta's Companion Certificate can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Imagine paying for one ticket and getting the second at a deep discount or even free. The smart way to upgrade. Let's talk upgrades. Upgrading your ticket from economy to business can save thousands compared to booking business from the start. Airlines sometimes allow upgrades for a fee, and this can often be done directly at check-in. For instance, if seats in business class are still unsold, they're more likely to offer upgrades at a fraction of the original cost. Here's another tip. Use your airline miles or points to request upgrades. If you have enough miles, but not enough to fully book a business class ticket, using them for an upgrade can give you a luxury experience without the luxury price. Set up alerts and monitor deals. Another tip: set up alerts. Use online platforms like Google Flights or Kayak to receive notifications for price drops on premium seats. These sites can track when fares drop below a certain amount, so you're alerted immediately. It's almost like having a personal assistant dedicated to finding you the best deal. You can also sign up for services like Scott's Cheap Flights or the Points Guy Premium to get notifications on business and first-class deals. They have networks that track rare deals, including mistake fares. The power of off-peak travel. Another highly effective strategy: fly during off-peak times. This is especially important for long-haul flights. Flights leaving midweek or at less popular times are often priced lower, even in premium classes. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of negotiation. Yes, negotiation. Some airlines offer the chance to bid for upgrades. You can propose a price you're willing to pay to move up to business or first class, and if accepted, you could enjoy luxury travel for a fraction of the usual price. Mistake fares. Finally, check for mistake fares. Occasionally, airlines make pricing errors, offering business or first-class seats at economy prices. Websites and forums like Secret Flying or Flyer Talk often share these deals when they appear. Imagine turning a 14-hour flight into an experience filled with comfort, gourmet meals, and quiet space to work or relax, all while knowing you saved significantly. Case study: how one traveler saved thousands. For instance, let's look at a real case study of how these methods work in practice. One traveler used miles and a companion pass and booked midweek to secure a first-class round-trip ticket from New York to Tokyo for $600 instead of the usual $6,000. With these strategies, you're not just saving money, you're making the most of your business. And travel budgets. As a business person, making smart decisions on travel expenses isn't just about saving money. It's about investing in your own well-being. A comfortable, restful flight can mean arriving fresh, alert, and ready for those critical meetings. With the right tools, knowledge, and approach, enjoying the perks of luxury travel is entirely within reach. If these tips helped you, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more content tailored for savvy travelers and smart entrepreneurs. Leave a comment below if you've managed to score a deal on a premium flight ticket, or if you have other strategies for flying in comfort without the premium price tag. Share them with our community. And remember, in business and in life, sometimes the best experiences don't require spending a fortune. Happy travels, and I'll see you in the skies.